Good morning, students. This is ET faculty Mahesh from TSWRS JC Boys Devakadra, Mahbubnagar district. In today's our electrical technician course, we are going to study about paper 2, that is domestic appliances and rewinding. In this, we have already started our first unit, introduction of domestic appliances. In previous class, we have discussed about machine, drive, different drives used in domestic electrical appliances. Okay. In today's topic, we are going to study about terminology, definition, important requirement specified in IS 302, that is Indian Standard 302 section, general safety requirements for household electrical appliances. Okay, these terminologies are decided by IS, Indian standards. Okay, these are the Indian standards which we are going to see in every electrical appliances. Okay, first thing is rated voltage. This rated voltage is decided by the manufacturer. For appliances, a particular voltage, it should be operated in a particular voltage. This is going to decided by the manufacturer. Next, rated voltage range. This is also be decided. This can also be decided by the manufacturer. It is the range. The range will have lower and upper limits of the voltage. Suppose if the rated voltage is 230 volts, then the rated voltage range might be 220 volts to 240 volts. Okay, this is the range, and the particular number is rated voltage, and the range from 220 to 240 is a range. Okay, this is the rated voltage range. Next, working voltage is maximum voltage that the electrical appliance can be used under normal condition. Okay, the maximum operated voltage that the appliances can be used under normal condition. There should not be any abnormalities, but it is working as a normal appliance. Okay, that voltage is working voltage. Okay, next, coming to rated input watts. In suppose this can be decided by under normal operating condition at normal temperature. The heat discharge in the appliances is said to be rated input watts. Okay, under normal operation at a normal temperature, the heat discharged in the appliances is calculated in terms of rated input watts. Okay, basic insulation. Okay, insulation is used to protect from electric shocks. Okay, what type of insulation is provided for the particular equipment? Okay, this insulation is used to protect persons from electric shocks. Okay, in next class we are going to discuss about some more terminologies in this topic. Okay, if you have any doubts, please comment below this video so that I can give your clear explanation. Thanks for watching today's class.